Hi there, my name is Samantha Cavallo and I am the Chief Marketing Officer of Practice of the Practice. This month we wanted to address social media hacks to answer some of your common questions you may have about social media. In this video we're going to talk about how to upload a thumbnail to a YouTube video. So this is the Practice of the Practice YouTube channel, and one thing I wanted to note before we get started is how we have a set of templates that we use constantly on our YouTube channel. So you can see we have 3 designs that we pretty much use all the time whenever we are uploading videos to YouTube. And this is something that is highly recommended, whether you want to alternate between 3 different designs or have one specific design. You want to make sure that you're making use of some sort of template design for your thumbnail to maintain that consistency and to build up that brand recognition. So to upload a thumbnail to one of your videos, you're going to click on the icon in the top right hand corner here and go to YouTube Studio. Then you're going to click on videos, and I'm going to click into this video here. So you'll see here that I've already uploaded a thumbnail for this video, but I'm going to show you how to do that now. And the same applies if you're in the process of uploading a video. We've actually done a video on that as well, so head on over to our YouTube channel to find that video if you want to know how to upload a video to YouTube. So you'll see that you can either select one of the suggested thumbnails, which is basically just a screenshot of the video itself, or you can choose to upload your own. So if you just go to change, you'll then have the option to upload one from your computer. So I'm just going to obviously keep mine the same, and you will then click on save here. If you are wanting to make use of a template, is to make use of canva.com. Canva is a free online tool that you can use that has a bunch of pre-made designs ready for you to use. So you can see here is their YouTube thumbnail. So if you click on that, there'll be a bunch of templates here that you can make use of for your YouTube channel.